Frustrating, right? You've got the machine, but the computer just won't talk to it. Our support team hears this constantly. How do I connect my Titan? Hi guys, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser, and today we are fixing it. Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, we are covering it all. But first, the golden rule. If you are using a USB wire, you must plug the cable in before you switch on the machine. If you power on first, your computer won't find the network. Plug in, then power on. Method 1. Wi-Fi. It's the easiest. On the panel, go to Menu, Internet, then Wi-Fi. Connect to your router. Once connected, your IP address will appear right here. Type that into LaserMaker and you're done. Method 2. Wired. This requires specific setting. On the machine, go to Menu, Internet, select the LAN tab for Ethernet or the USB tab for the USB cable. Write down this IP address. It is critical. And here is a pro tip for you guys. Once connected, you can also double check these IPs anytime at the bottom of the home screen. Now, we have to configure our computer. Go to Internet Properties, IPv4, select Use the following IP. Here is the secret. Copy the first 3 numbers from the Titan's IP exactly. For example, if Titan is 192.168.2, you type 192.168.2. For the last number, pick something different, like 2 or whatever you want. The subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, and then save it. Back in LaserMaker, add a device. Choose TCP/IP Ethernet mode, and there, typing the Titan IP's address. The one we wrote down earlier. Click Test. The connection is successful. You are now ready to burn. Wired or wireless? You're now connected, but remember, for the USB, plug in first, power the Titan machine on second, and match those IPs. Subscribe for more answers to your question, and don't hesitate to ask anything you would like to know. We are here for you.